So recently there is a problem with this toaster that when you press the handles down it doesn't stick. It get hotted but it doesn't stop. So you need to keep it down to for the toaster to work. So I need to open this and see what's the problem. The screws are down. We need to first release the wire. Four screws. We need to take out the So the problem is this the wire, this handle which is broken. We had another wire here and then a handle lever. I have repaired it once. It's broken again, so I need to repair this. So I have cut these metal pieces from this long metal. It's a rod that it is flexible. So I'm going to tie this now to this place. So this is now as you can see, it can make the contact between these 2 points. Now I have to fix it back. First to push this is inside this lever here, and then put back everything like before. Now if we push the lever, it's working. So we have to return back the screws here. So now that we're done, we need to test it to see if it is working or not. We're going to put back the handles. And I'm going to plug it into the electricity. Now we'll see. Yes, now it's working. See. It's now it's working. And if I press the release button, it's working. So that's how you can solve the problem. Sometimes this is the problem with your toaster. It's simple and you can resolve the matter easily.